exploring Qatar's top attractions in one day. Join me as I take on the challenge of visiting Qatar's most amazing attractions and see if I can experience them all in just one day. Qatar is looking to the future, and that's reflected in its amazing attractions. From futuristic skyscrapers to ancient mosques, Qatar has a wealth of exciting places to visit. But with so many options to choose from, it can be tough to decide where to go first. When it comes to planning a trip to Qatar, one of the biggest challenges is deciding which attractions to visit. With so many amazing options to choose from, it's hard to narrow it down to just a few. You could spend hours poring over guidebooks and websites, trying to figure out which places are must-see and which ones you can skip. And even then, you're still likely to miss out on some hidden gems. But don't worry, I'm here to help. I've been to Qatar, and I've seen some of the most amazing attractions the country has to offer. And I'm going to share my top picks with you, so you can plan your own trip with confidence. From the stunning Museum of Islamic Art to the vibrant souks of Doha, I'll take you on a journey through Qatar's most amazing attractions. Of course, everyone's tastes are different. And what one person loves about a particular attraction, another person might not enjoy as much. But one thing's for sure, Qatar has something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, culture, architecture, or adventure, you'll find something that will leave you in awe. Let's start with the Museum of Islamic Art, which is widely considered one of the most beautiful museums in the world. Designed by I.M. Pei, this stunning building is a work of art in its own right, with its intricate architecture and breathtaking views of the Arabian Gulf. And then, of course, there's the collection itself, which features some of the most important Islamic artifacts in the world. Next up is the Souq Waqif, which is one of the oldest souks in Doha. This vibrant marketplace is the perfect place to pick up some unique souvenirs, sample some delicious local cuisine, and get a taste of traditional Qatari culture. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even take a ride on a traditional dhow boat and see the city from a different perspective. Another must-visit attraction is the Qatar Cultural Village, which is a stunning waterfront complex that celebrates Qatari culture and heritage. Here, you can explore the beautiful mosque, visit the amphitheater, and enjoy some of the best seafood in the city. And if you time it right, you can even catch one of the many cultural festivals and events that take place here throughout the year. But my top pick for the most amazing attraction in Qatar has to be the Aspire Park. This incredible green oasis in the heart of Doha is the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and connect with nature. With its beautiful gardens, peaceful lakes, and stunning views of the city skyline, this is one attraction that you won't want to miss. So there you have it, my top picks for the most amazing attractions in Qatar. From the stunning Museum of Islamic Art to the peaceful Aspire Park, these are the places that will make your trip to Qatar truly unforgettable. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Qatar's most amazing attractions. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know about your favorite attractions or experiences in Qatar. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I've got lots more travel tips and destination guides coming up.